Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Full Facts Law, and I am Anuj Kumar Singh, and we welcome you to our new initiative which we have taken by virtue of this channel. First of all, let me inform you that law as a profession is a very dynamic field, and there are a lot of opportunities which one can have in this particular profession. Let me start with the scenario of exams conducted by the center and state relating to the law field. When we talk about law as a profession, there is an examination called Judicial Services Examination of each and every state. Remind you that there is still no Indian Judicial Services applicable in our country, so each and every state has its own judicial service examination as per their authentic syllabus. So one has to first of all understand the syllabus of every state in order to qualify that judicial examination. Apart from judicial services, there is an examination called APO. It is also conducted state-wise, and in every 28 states this examination is held in every year. So first of all, when we talk about APO, in APO only criminal law subjects are asked in the examinations. So the scope of APO is a bit narrow as compared to judiciary. So we will, in this channel, we will cover the courses of both the judicial services as well as the APO. Apart from that, there is one post which is there in the armed forces as well, which is called as JAG. It is conducted twice every year, and it is also one of the most prestigious offices of the country. Those aspirants who want to serve in the armed forces and who have completed their 5-year law course or 3-year law course can opt for JAG as well. So the beauty of this job is that you will be given each and every luxury to hold the army officer. So when we talk about the JAG, there is only an interview which is conducted, and those who have qualified the 5-year or 3-year law examination and achieved 55% can opt for that. So in this channel we will also cover the things which are asked in JAG as well. Other than JAG, there is also assistant commandant post in paramilitary forces, which is not very relevant in other social media. It is not being very clear. So by virtue of this channel, we will make our viewers clear about this post as well. So now the other thing which I want to highlight is, for the preparation of the judicial services examination and APO, there is a particular structure which everyone has to follow. As there is so much confusion on the social media and other YouTube platforms, there is less clarity. So by virtue of this channel, we will provide you with each and every information relating to the exam, what is the current subject as per the authenticated sources, what all things are asked in the examination, previous year question paper, and each and every section of the subject will be covered in this channel. I again repeat that, for example, if we are starting the criminal law, then in CRPC we will cover each and every section. In IPC we will cover complete 511 sections with case law analysis. So you have to keep patience and you have to trust ourselves, because we are here to help you. Mind you, it is a very long war which you have to fight, and we are there for you at each and every moment till you are not qualified. So first of all, let me start with the first thing which we will provide to you. The first thing is that we will start with the criminal law subjects and we will cover them as soon as possible. It will take time, and you have to follow our videos on a regular basis to get a clear understanding about the subject. Those who are not law students and who want to pursue law course as their career option, they can also watch these videos and understand the law of the country. That is most important, that each and every citizen of our country should know what law is, what our country is following as a society. So everyone should know exactly what law as a subject, as a profession is, what are its career opportunities, etc., etc. So you have to have patience. The other thing which I want to highlight very specifically, that when you are watching our video, don't be dependent on it solely. Watch our videos, then definitely read one or two books. It will be very clear to you. We will refer to you different books, and I again ask you to watch our video and then recheck as well, so that you will be clear and you are trusting us. You will trust more when you see that whatever things we are saying and whatever are there in the book is in consonance with each other. So please, first of all, watch our videos, read more and more books, read more and more case laws. We will also provide you with all the landmark cases and current cases, but please be clear in your approach. Read books so that you can able to be very clear in the concept, because in the law examination concept is very clear. We will try our best to do that, and we will definitely do our best, but you have to be hard worker, you have to work as well. Now, the other thing which I want to highlight is, when we talk about the subject which we will cover, after every chapter of CRPC or other subjects, when we cover each and every chapter, when a particular chapter is completed, we will do a revision course as well. Suppose from Monday onwards we started a chapter, and on Sunday if we complete that particular chapter, for example if we completed the investigation chapter or the bail chapter, we will do a revision, and we will also provide you with the desirable questions which can be asked in the examination, and these questions will be given by a senior prosecutor who is serving currently in the government, or a retired or serving judge. So they have enough experience, and they will provide you with the questions by our medium, so that you can write those questions, you can understand, you can search for the answers, you can prepare your answers, and in our next lecture we will also provide you with the desirable answers. So we are here to help you at each and every point. It is up to you how you start your preparation. The other thing is, we will also provide you with the motivation, that how to prepare, what all things to do, because that is very important. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we all know that all the coaching institutes are closed. Our schedule is also messed up, it is not very much effective. So by virtue of this medium, by virtue of our YouTube channel, we will also provide you with the motivation to start the preparation, because starting the preparation is very crucial to destination. It is the crucial step towards destination, so you have to start. The other thing which I want to highlight is, we will also have a separate video for constitutional law as well. As we all know that in judicial service examinations, in APO, in JAG interview, in assistant commandant interview, it is asked, it is a very common subject to ask. So each and every article should be clear in your mind. So constitution will also be our video. In our video we will provide you with each and every article, so it will be a booster for you, and it will be a step in order to know what constitution is, because constitution is a very common subject. It is asked in each and every interview. Mind you, if you are preparing for the judicial service examination, there is an interview of 100 or 200 marks, so you have to also focus upon the interview part. So in this particular channel we will also provide you with that service as well. Now the other thing which I want to highlight is we will also upload interviews which we will conduct from different advocates, judges, or those persons who are there in judicial services. It is done just to make things clear, because there are many students who can understand the subject but could not be very clear in the concept. So in order to make the concept clear, in order to make the subject more clear, we will take interviews, and you can see those interviews in order to connect whatever you have studied with the field. That is most essential. It will definitely help you in the interview part as well as in your mains examination when you will have to write. Because I again say, please start writing. That is most crucial for this particular examination, because you have to write a lot. If you are giving the Uttar Pradesh Judicial Service examinations, you have to write. Because whenever you start your study, please write as much as you can. So in this particular channel we will provide you with the methods of writing and how to start the writing process. That is very crucial. The other thing is, when we are doing our subjects, when we are providing you with the resources, we are also bound to provide you with the authentic materials. I am using the word bound just because we are good individuals, and we want you to and we want you all to have the authentic reliable sources, authentic reliable material, because there are a lot of articles which are not very much clear or which are in a very tough language. We will provide you with a PDF along with the video. So watch the video, then see that particular PDF. In that PDF we will provide you with the materials in a very easy and simpler way. So when you will read that, you will be more clear in your approach, and then when you start reading the books, it will be stuck in your mind and you will not have any issue relating to that particular subject. So mind you, start preparing and do research as much as you can. We will provide you with different international articles. We will provide you with articles of honorable judges of the Supreme Court, of the High Court, of the lower court as well. So please be ready to listen to those articles, read and prepare notes accordingly. So we will definitely start our next video from 2 to 3 days. So please be aware, subscribe our channel and start thinking about the examination. Watch our videos. In your mind it should revolve only your goal. What is your goal? Your goal is to hold one of the most prestigious offices of this country, and the most prestigious office is the Judicial Service Examination. It is the APO as well, it is the JAG as well. So these are very good posts which you can qualify by your hard work, and we are here to provide you with each and every information so that your hard work is more and more boosted and you are confident enough to prepare well for the examination and qualify that. The other thing which I want to highlight is in every video for 1 to 2 minutes we will provide you with the current topics relating to the law, so that you will have an understanding about the current scenario of the legal justice system. We will provide you with landmark and latest cases of the Supreme Court, of the High Court and of the lower court as well. Case laws play a very big role in these examinations. I'll again say, at times they directly ask a particular case law and you have to provide that. So we will provide you with each and every case law, each and every act or bill which is passed, and the government's initiative to towards the judicial system. So these things will be provided to you. Whatever guidelines government has laid down, these things will also be provided to you, so that can help you in your pre-examination, in your mains examination, in your interview, as well as in other interviews. I again say these videos are for everything. It is for judiciary, for APO, for corporates as well. There are many law students who want to join the corporates, who want to join the law firm, but they do not have enough information about the law subject. So this particular channel will provide you with every information of the subject. Each and every information will be covered, so you can also see it, so that it can be helpful for you in the corporate field as well. Because whenever you are watching our videos, you will get to know about the law as a subject, so it will be fruitful for you in some way or the other, and you will definitely be benefited with that. So the next thing which I want to highlight is, we are starting an initiative of panel discussion. Let me elaborate it. This panel discussion is a panel which will be constituted of the senior judges or retired judges, senior public prosecutors or retired public prosecutors. They will be here to help you to clear all your doubts, all your dilemmas, to make you understand how to clear the examination. So when we will upload our videos, watch it, understand it, read as per your own will, prepare notes, and whenever you have any doubt, you are free to attend our panel discussion. And we basically are conducting it in physical mode, because in online discussion you cannot able to clear your doubts that effectively as you can clear it in physical mode. So we are conducting a panel of 15 to 20 students only, and it will be addressed by senior officials who have at least 20 to 25 years of experience in government services or in judicial services. So please do attend this particular panel whenever you are free, or whenever you think that you need to. So we are here to make you become a good individual as well as a judicial officer. So please do take these steps, and please attend our panel. We will provide you with the further information of the panel, but panel is a different thing. Our videos will be on a regular basis. Please follow it. Have trust in us, because trust is the most important thing. We are here to provide you with authentic sources. We are not to bluff you or to divert your direction. So if we are conducting a panel, the panel members will be experienced people who themselves have qualified the examination, so they know exactly what that particular exam is, so they will definitely help you. We will also conduct interviews of you if you desire. There will be an interviewing officer who has experience of around 34 to 35 years in government service, so you know better how that particular experience will benefit you. So please attend this particular panel with a very minimal fee, which we will provide you with each and every detail. Please call to this number, that is 80050354440. Please call us. We will provide you with more clarity about the panel, so that it will help you in some way or the other. So panel will be of different fields. First of all, it will be for the judiciary or APO examination. Those candidates who are desiring for this examination can attend this panel, and the panel will be for 3 days. And once you have attended this panel, you are our family member. Then you can come at any point of time with very minimum fee after that. So we are only here not to earn any profit, we are here to provide you with each and every detail of the examination. So this panel will definitely clear all your dilemmas, all your lacunas, all your loopholes. They will definitely provide you with some effective initiative, incentive, and help you in your personality development as well. The second is a panel of career counseling. Those law students who have completed their law and could not able to understand what they have to pursue as their career, they can contact our career counselor as well. He also has at least 25 to 30 years of experience in government service, so you know how experienced our team is. So you can take help of our career counselor at any point of time. It can be through phone as well, it can be through email, and we want you to please attend our panel because it will be more and more effective. He will listen you, he will give you his inputs, he will receive your inputs, and it will be very harmoniously constructed, and you will definitely be benefited from that. Our next panel will be relating to sports, because there are a lot of vacancies which come in state cricket associations, in BCCI as well. So we have a team member who will provide you with each and every information about this field as well. Our next panel will be on company secretary. We have qualified company secretaries who have qualified this particular exam and are working in different corporate fields. So those who are pursuing their company secretary course or who want to pursue their company secretary course, they can also take help from our panel. I advise all law students that if they are not doing anything, if they are thinking, please fill the form of the company secretary course. It is one of the prestigious courses of our country, and it will definitely help you in corporate field as well as in government services as well. So we have an entire panel which will help you in each and every way possible. Our next panel will be of NET and GRF. As you know that when you are preparing for the NET examination for research, you will prepare as a law subject, you will take law as your subject. So law will be covered by our videos, and for the first paper and for further understanding of the first paper as well as the entire NET GRF course, we also have a panel. So they are also well experienced and will help you in every way possible. So these are some of the panels which we will constitute, and our request is to kindly understand that, kindly visit our videos and then take a decision. It is very important for you to first of all check our quality, because we are here not to speak, we are here to provide you with quality. Only speaking is not enough. Until and unless we will not provide you with quality, you will not be associated with us. So we will definitely provide you with the quality, and you are the judges who have to review our videos, and your suggestions are valuable for us, and we will change our videos accordingly as per your valuable suggestions. Our team is well equipped, and each and every subject, I am again repeating, will be covered by virtue of our videos. So please be alert, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the latest notification on our videos. We will also provide you with motivational videos as well of different psychologists, so that in case you are disheartened at any point of time, you can get motivated, you get boosted up, and you start preparing. I am again repeating, once you are part of our family, we are always here to help you in each and every way. whatever your doubts are relating to our videos, you can email us. We have given our email on the channel. You can call us. I've given my number as well. You can attend our panel discussion as well. All options are open to you. I'm again saying, don't be hesitant at any way. Don't be hesitant. It is of no use. Please be clear. Please ask as much as you can. That is why we are introducing our panel, so that you can ask and clear your doubts. Now, the last thing which I want to highlight is our videos will be on every subject. Our videos will cover every case law, landmark case law, current topics. Along with these things, we will also cover international relation aspect as well of different countries, because at times in the mains examination they can ask questions of different countries and then make a comparison with India. So in today's examination scenario, these comparative questions come at a very rapid pace, so you have to prepare judicial system of other countries as well, executive system of other countries as well. So we have a team of professionals who will provide you with the international relation in connection with the current events of our country in respect of the judicial system, what all judicial system are there around the globe, and how our judicial system is different from USA, suppose from UK, suppose from Ireland, etc., etc. So this will also be covered by our video. So these things really matter to you, to us as well. So kindly visit our channel, listen to our initiatives, listen to our views, and then prepare yourself accordingly. This is going to be a very long war. I am again repeating that. So we are always there for you. You have to be brave, you have to be patient, and you have to work hard. I am again repeating. And specifically we will cover the Hindu newspaper in every video as well. So that is a particular thing which we want to highlight and which we want to add in each and every video. That is very crucial, because in today's time current questions are asked frequently. You have to prepare current questions as well. You have to understand what things are happening in our society. These things will definitely come in your examination and you have to be prepared. The other thing which I want to highlight is all those students who have completed their law course, either 5-year or 3-year law course, please fill the form of JAG which is conducted by our armed forces. Please, I again request you to fill, because it is also one of the greatest jobs, and the facilities which are there is also commendable. So please fill that form. We will provide you with each and every detail about the JAG interview, and our panel will be of 3 days. So all those who are interested, all our psychological tests will be covered in our panel. Your interview will be covered and your GTO test will be covered. So if you go to coaching institute, they will basically take huge amount of money. So if you come to our panel, there the fees is very minimal, very minimal. I do not want to tell that in this particular video. We will tell in the next videos, but the amount of money which will be taken is very less. So you can take help from us in order to qualify the JAG interview as well. So we will provide you with good officers, serving officers, retired officers, serving psychologists, retired psychologists. They will definitely clear your doubts and will definitely boost your overall personality. The last thing is, prepare yourself, be strong, be brave, Satyamev Jayate, and fight until the end. And we are here to help you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.